Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today is a very exciting video. It is a hair video and it is sponsored by Curlmix. Shout out to Curlmix. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I am super excited to be doing this. I personally have never tried Curlmix, but they have these wash and go kits. It's amazing because if it's in a kit, that means everything should work beautifully together. So it's no trying to figure out, okay, does this product work with this? Is the ingredients gonna combine and be beautiful? It's already done for you. It's already done for you. And they have so many different types of kits, which is really exciting. Now, I'm gonna get this hair together because can we just talk about it? Hold on. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Your girl has been in bed dying in pain the last couple of days and it's time to come alive. It's time to get my life together. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. Before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box because I literally left it closed because I wanted to open it with you guys so we can really just get into everything together. This is a joint project, okay? Oh my gosh, look at those beautiful black women and Latina women. Yes, with all these beautiful different hair textures. This is awesome because we all know that curly hair is not created equal, right? Everybody has different porosities and densities and things like that. So seeing all these beautiful women with their type 4 hair, type 3 hair, you know, we got, oh, look at that 4C. She is killing them. She is beautiful. This lets me know this product is supposed to work with all hair types. Now, if you're new to my channel, I have more like 4B hair, 4C in certain areas, 4A in certain areas. You know, she's just in the 4 category all the way around. And I'm just really excited to see how this is going to work for me. So opening this up right here, we have the Curlmix method. We have cleansing. So that's basically like, you know, shampooing, getting all that toxins and dirt off your scalp. Conditioning, moisturizing, styling, drying, and nighttime routine. I love how they break this down for you. So if you are somebody who is new in the natural world, or maybe you just haven't experimented with wash and goes like that, because personally for me, when I first went natural, it took me a long time to start doing wash and goes. This is a beautiful breakdown and it's really gonna help you out. And they break it down from curly, coily hair, so it tells you 4 to 8 sections, to wavy and curly hair and coily, kinky. So that's beautiful that they really give the breakdown for every type of natural. It's no discrimination. Everybody is included, all this inclusivity in this Curlmix method. So really love and appreciate this. That was perfect on their end. Opening the box here, first thing that I see is get 10% off using the code PURE. So go ahead, use that coupon code, baby. Okay, we love a good discount. So I went with this one right here. This one is the lavender line, so it's all purple. I love lavender. I feel like lavender is very like soothing and like kind of relaxing in a sense, which is the reason why I went with this one. And we have the Pure Flaxseed Gel. That's step 4 here. Okay, they put the steps on the bottle. That's beautiful. Because like my mom, when I help her with any routine, skincare, hair care, whatever, she makes me write down numbers on the bottle. So this is definitely something I'm going to have to get for her. And I'm going to be like, girl, it's on the bottle. You don't have to ask me no questions. It's on here. That's amazing. So we have the step 2 right here. Ooh. And the step 1. So as you guys can see, this is not one of those very intensive type of styling days. It's very simple and to the point, just 4 steps. You don't have to do all these extra things. I really like that. I feel like this is gonna be a great wash day. I feel like it's gonna go by super fast. So let's go ahead and jump right into the wash day because you know we're gonna have to do it together and see the results. Alright guys, we're going to kick this off with step 1, which is the Pure Aloe Vera Shampoo. This is going to help clarify and remove any buildup. Now the first thing I noticed about this shampoo is that it's a little bit on the thicker side than what I'm used to, but I really liked it because my hair likes thick products. I noticed when I was rinsing out the shampoo, my hair didn't feel stripped or anything, and that's really important. That helps like avoid any breakage. So I was 100% pleased with this. Then with step 2 is going to be the Pure Grapeseed Conditioner. This is going to help with hydrating. Now I applied a lot of water to get the ultimate slip. I find that this was really easy to use. My hair was easy to detangle. I did have to take the top off just because I have a lot of hair and I like to use a lot of products to really get in those hair strands. And as you notice, the video is going to get steamier and steamier because I like to use really warm water, so that way the cuticles in my hair strands are open because I have low porosity hair, and that's really going to help the product penetrate better. Girl, get into all of this hair. It's ridiculous. So for step 3, it's the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. This is going to act as our leave-in. Now this probably was my favorite product out of the 4 products. I felt like my hair had tons of slip and it left my hair feeling really soft. And I really like the fact that on all the bottles it gives you directions, and it specifically says to apply in a steamy shower. I feel like a lot of people apply their leave-in conditioners outside of the shower, and that's why they're not getting the ultimate results. That's why I wanted to show you guys like how authentic this is. I wanted the video to be steamy to show you this is exactly what I do. Now for step 4 is the Pure Flaxseed Gel. This is going to be our styling product, a really simple 4 steps. Now I applied this in really small sections using the Regimen method. That is my method of choice, and I just made sure I went through every single strand, making sure every strand was coated with the product, so that way my curls are clumping beautifully and we can have a great wash and go. Now I wanted to show you guys the consistency of the gel. It is a lot thinner than what I'm accustomed to, so it was really interesting to see the results. I was kind of like curious to see what the outcome was going to be. I feel like this gel is going to be great for those in like the 3 category or the 4A category. Now that I'm done applying the gel, what I like to do is shake my hair out, and then after you're done, you don't want to touch it. You want to go ahead and use a diffuser, air dry, or sit underneath a hooded dryer. I personally like to sit under a hooded dryer. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. My hair feels really soft. It has a ton of volume, which I love, and lots of definition. So I am really happy with these Curlmix products. As usual, these products will be linked in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check them out. Also, be sure to follow them on Instagram. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there's so many different kinds of Curlmix kits. I really like the lavender. It smelled great, and I'm really happy. This is going to be great for you for like back to school if you just need something quick. This is going to be great for beginners because you have all the steps written out for you. So I am completely satisfied. This made wash day super easy and fast. Curlmix, I want to say thank you so much for partnering up with me on this video. I love you guys so much. Please do not forget to subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.